Hello everyone, with your programs in this video we connect Firebase and create authorization. Now we connect packages shared preferences, FreeZ annotation, Cloudflare store, Firebase core, Firebase Auth, Firebase storage, country picker, Intel, Flutter Bloc, getIt, and Flutter OTP text field. Open pubspec YAML, add packages, then we open Firebase console and need add platform Android and iOS and add file Google service info.plist to iOS. How connect Firebase? We can look my video Flutter Firebase connection. Now we add folder data, then we add folder models, and we add folder service, and we add folder repository. Then we add file index.dart, open models, and we add folder API models, then we add folder domain models, and we add folder enum, add file index.dart, add folder login, add index.dart. Next we add file login response .dart, write class, write login response, then you write final, write string verification ID, add constructor login response, write required, write this verification ID, then we open enum, add login status .dart, write enum, write login status, write successful, then you write fileIt, and we add index.dart, write export, add login status, write export, write enum, open API models login, login response, write final, then you write login status, add parameter, save, and we update name, write status. Next we open domain models, add login, then we add index .dart, and we add file login data model.dart, and we add export, add login data model, write login, save, write class, write login data model, write final, write login status, write status, and we write final, write string, write verification ID, and we add constructor, write this verification ID, write required, write this status, save, and we optimizate, and we add export, write login, add login response, then we add export, write API models, index.dart, write export, domain models, index.dart. Now we open service and we add Firebase service, and we add Firebase service .dart, write class, add Firebase service, write final, write Firebase Auth, add Auth, then we open pubspec YAML, save, and we check import. Next we add constructor, write Firebase service, write this auth, and we add function sign in with phone number, write future, write login response, write sign in with phone number, write required, write string, write phone number, write async, and we write variable final, completer, write completer, write login response, then we write auth, verify phone number, add phone number, update verification completed, completer dot complete, write login response, update model, write login status dot filed, write completer dot complete, write login response, write login status dot successful, then verification ID, and we add verification ID, write return, write completer dot future, save, and we add function verify OTP, write future, and we write bool, write verify OTP, write required, write string, write verification ID, write required, write string, write code, and we write async, and we write phone auth credential, add phone auth provider dot credential, and we write return, write await auth dot sign in with credential dot then write return true, save, and we add file index.dart, write export, add Firebase service.dart, add. Next we add shared preferences service, write shared preferences service, .dart, save, add information. This file we can download to description in the video. Next we add time service.dart, add information, and we add service bootstrapper. .dart, and we write future, write void, write init service, write async, write get it, write Firebase Auth, write Firebase Auth dot instance, write get it dot registration factory, and we open index.dart, write export, and we add export time service dot dart, save, write Firebase service, add auth, add register factory, write shared preferences service, and we update register factory, write register singleton, write await, write get it dot get, write shared preferences service, write initialize, save, and now we open repository, add Firebase repository, .dart, write class, write Firebase repository, and we write final, write Firebase service, and we add constructor, write this, write Firebase service, write future, and we add login data model, write sign in with phone number, write async, write required, write string, write phone number, and we write final, write result, write await, write Firebase service, write sign in with phone number, write return, write result, and we add login data model, write result dot verification ID and result status, save, and we update login data model. Then we add verify OTP, write future, write bool, and we write verify OTP write async, write required, write string, write verification ID, and we write required, write string, write code, write return, await, and we add Firebase service, verify OTP, save. And we add file index.dart, add Firebase, add export Firebase repository, and we add repository bootstrapper, .dart, write future, write void, write init repository, write get it, write async, write get it, write register factory, write Firebase repository, write get it, write get, write Firebase service, save, write export, add repository bootstrapper, and we add folder blocks, we add index.dart, we add blocks bootstrapper .dart, and we add folder login, add login block.dart, then we add login event.dart, and we add login state.dart, and we add index.dart, and we add login block, write extends, write block, write login event, write login state, write login block, and we write final, write Firebase repository, and we write final, shared preferences service, write this, then we write this, and we write super. Add parts, and we add events, add import, and then we add login states, add import. Next we add init login state, and we generate file login block.freeset.dart. Update name, save. Add events, and we'll start with event preload data. Next event login with phone number. Next, verification code. Then select country. And search country name. And search country phone code. This information we can download to description in the video. Shared preferences service we use to next video. Open index.dart, write export. Add login block.dart. Open blocks bootstrapper. Then you write future. Write void. Write init blocks. Write get it. Write async. Write get it. Write register factory. Write login block. Write get it. Get. Write Firebase repository. Write get it dot get. Write shared preferences service. Save. Write export. And we write login index.dart. Next we write export, add blocks bootstrapper.dart, save, and we add file bootstrapper .dart, write future, write void, write init IOC, write async, write final, write get id, write get id, write await, write init service, write await init repository, write await init blocks, and we update index, write export, write models, API models, index.dart, write export, write repository, index.dart, write export, write service, save, write export, add service bootstrapper, add import, save, and we add folder Auth, then we add folder home, we add file country screen, .dart, write class, country screen, write extends, write status widget, add build, add constructor, convert status widget to stateful widget, then we write final, add void callback, write on back button, add parameter, write bool, write is search, write true, then we add variable text editing controller, write search country controller, and we add dispose, and we add widget scaffold. Write final, write color them, write them of context, write custom dot color them, save, write up bar, add up bar, add import block, add up bar, color them, and we add context, then we add background color, write color them, add background color, body, and we add list countries, and now we add item country, and we add import, add list countries, save, and next screen we create login screen, .art, write class, write login screen, extends, status widget, and we add build, add constructor, then we convert status widget to stateful widget, add variables, write final, add text editing controller, write phone number controller, write text editing controller, write final, write text editing controller, write phone code controller, write text editing controller, and we add data time, write data time, data time now, write data time, write last time, write data time now, and we write bool, we write got keyboard hate, write false, write dispose, write dispose, write phone code controller, write dispose, and we write return, add widget scaffold, then we add variable color them, write them of context, write custom, write color them, and we add background color, write color them dot background color, add resize to avoid bottom inset, write true, write up bar, add widgets, add country screen, add import block, and we add green elevated button, add a bar, save, update data time, save, then we rename last time, and we update name, write true, save, and we add body, add widget column, add cross axis alignment, write center, write children, write sized box, write height 25, write title, then we write sized box, write height 20, and we add input phone number, add subtitle, then we add widget expanded, write sized box, write height, and we add double infinity, save, and we add next button, save, and we add block listener, write listener, and we add login block, write login state, write state dot maybe map, add successful send code, comment. Then we add error send code. And now we add file verification screen .dart write class verification screen extends status widget, convert status widget to stateful widget, add constructor, write timer, import async, write timer, then write int, write seconds, 60, add init state, then we add start timer, save, add start timer, then we add dispose, write timer, write cancel, save, then we write return, write scaffold, write final, write color them, write them of context, write custom, write color them, and we write up bar, and we write up bar, and we add widgets, import time service, import login block, Flutter block, OTP text field, gesture, login screen, and then we add up bar, write background color, write color them dot background color, write body, write widget center, child, add widget column, children, then we add title, next we add OTP text field, write sized box, write 12, and we add subtitle, next we add block listener, write login block, write login state, listener, write state, maybe map, add successful login, write async, and we add home screen .dart, write class, write home screen, extends status widget, add build, add constructor, return, write widget scaffold, body, add widget text, write home screen, add widget center, add verification screen, add error login, save, open splash screen, add navigate to login page, add import, add context, then we open main.dart, write async, add widget Flutter binding, add ensure initialized, write await, Firebase, initialize up, next we write await, write init IOC, save, and we add multi-block provider, write providers, add block provider, write context, then you write get it dot I dot get, write login block, write add, write login event, preload data, save, open login screen, and we update data time. We not use variable, we write data time now, and now we open emulator and test our works. Continue. That's all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.